Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MA Russia course, and in this one, we are discussing about the question from MRU 001 of Introduction to the Culture of Civilization of Russia. So here the first question is write about the major causes of the 1917 October Russia Revolution and what changes took after the 1970 October revolutions. So before starting, I want to share something. We provide all type of solutions of any subject. So if you need help in any type of uh, as answers, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238, and you can contact by our number, which is, hey, you can note this number by in your WhatsApp, and just message us hi on our WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.